Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video I'm going to share with you 3 low competition, low content, high profitability Amazon KDP keywords that are high demand. Let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified on all our new videos that we upload daily. So first of all, the first keyword for today's video is the science spell book, 30 enchanting experiments for kids, and it has a keyword niche score of 44. Total results are 2, and average bestseller rank is 15,941. We have an average reviews of 4,129, an average price of $10.51. So this is a book that is a medium to high content book featuring 30 experiments for children. So it can be 30 activities for children that are more science experiments, and it is a great book that is educational. And the book also has its own title. So for example, this keyword is also a keyword for a book that is titled the same way as well. The science spell book, 30 enchanting experiments for kids. It is priced at $15.17, both available in paperback and Kindle, and the bestseller rank for this is 4,258. So this is a great keyword that you can make your own unique book without copying the original one, without copying the title or the interior. And you can also use ChatGPT to come up with the 30 enchanting experiments for kids. Just make sure you give it the right prompt, give it a detailed prompt, and also make sure that the information that ChatGPT gives you, you take it to, for example, a rephraser such as Quillbot. You rephrase it using Quillbot, or you yourself just rephrase it and rewrite it in your own words. And then you also take it to Grammarly, which you can get a free account at Grammarly. I use a premium one. And then you can also edit it to make sure it doesn't have any grammatical errors, and proofread it effectively. And then you'll be able to also add in some elements, add in some images, preferably from Creative Fabrica as well. Make it into a book, sell it as a paperback, and also sell it on Kindle as well that way. So if you would like to see a step-by-step approach, a step-by-step video on how I handle books with similar titles and similar keywords, do let me know so I can do a full step-by-step tutorial on that. So the science spell book, 30 enchanting experiments for kids, would be a great keyword. I would change it around a little bit, add in a different subtitle as well, so it wouldn't be like looking like a copy paste of the same book that was published in July 2022 that you can see right over here. And take advantage of this wonderful niche with a beautiful bestseller rank and super low total results. Let's head over to the second keyword for today's video, and the second keyword for today's video is Suduko puzzle book for adults, travel size, and it has a keyword niche score of 44, total results of 613, and a bestseller rank average of 400,437. Average reviews are 53, and average price is $6.47. Beautiful niche, beautiful long tail keyword right over here. For the sake of the profitability data given by self-publishing titans, it all fills in the box. I'm going to go ahead and ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro that you can see right at the bottom left corner. So what you're doing here, you're creating a puzzle book that contains Suduko activities, and it is for adults, and it is travel size, so preferably a 6x9 or 8.5 times 8.5, anything that is a small size that's easy to put in the backpack or easy to put into the car box for travel, for camping, for used in the holidays as well, and so forth. So also you can get interiors using Creative Fabrica. I have included a link in the description box below and in the comment section pinned below, a 30-day free trial, all access to Creative Fabrica that allows you to download the KDP interiors for these keywords, as well as the review of some profitable keywords that you'll be able to have on hand and research on your own that way, as well as graphics as well to be used in the cover. So Sudoku puzzle book for kids travel size, you could also further niche down by making it a themed one, for example, for adventures or camping or anything to do with that. Or also you can niche down based on the level. Would you like to create a medium or an easy to medium Sudoku puzzle book for kids, that way, for adults, sorry, travel size, that way only adults that are interested in Sudoku that want a travel size that are beginners would be able to purchase it. So it's only for beginners. Or do you want to create a hard one? Do you want to create a level hard, level medium, so forth as well? So do keep that in mind. Is that, do you want to create a general one, or do you want to niche down as well even further? So let's have a look at the third keyword for today's video, and it is easy Sudoku activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. Now I'd like to share this with you. Although the keyword niche score is not so impressive, as in it is 28 and number 5 given by Amazon Scat Pro, yet I found this astounding because of the other analytics section. So I'm going to leave the option for you. I'm going to tell you about my strategy about handling this keyword as well. So my approach is I would like to diversify. I aim to diversify as much as possible. So I wouldn't be intimidated by the low keyword niche score if the total results are under 1,000 and if the bestseller rank is under 300,000. For example, this is total results of 402. This one is the bestseller rank of 169,023. So it is under the 300,000. Also, we've got an average price of $7.35. So on that basis, I'm not going to pay too much attention to the keyword niche score. At the same time, I won't dive in deep. I won't commit fully to this keyword. I would create 2-3 books about this keyword that revolve around this keyword, and then I would use Pinterest to advertise. I would use Instagram or Facebook to advertise this ebook this book for using free advertising methods, and then I'd head over to the next one. I wouldn't be too intertwined into this keyword because of the strength of the keyword niche score in this case as well. But I still would like to take advantage of the low bestseller rank. I would still like to take advantage of the low total results as well. So easy Sudoku activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. You need to create a Sudoku activity book for children that are aged between 4 to 8 years old, and it is easy. So it is for beginners. Make it as easy, as minimalistic, and large as well. Make sure you have a large print because ages 4 to 8, they want a book that is large for them to scroll through, for them to have to fill in the activities as well. You can access easy Sudoku interiors on Creative Fabrica or an Etsy as well, and then you'll be able to upload them as a PDF to your favorite editing software, and then you'll be able to add in, take out elements here and there, and also make it unique and then re-upload to Amazon KDP. So we've discussed the 3 keywords. Let us head over to the 4th and the final keyword in today's video. The 4th and final keyword is activity book with Sudoku for kids, and it has a keyword niche score of 39, total results of 1,427, and the bestseller rank average is 502,443. We've got an average reviews of 277 and an average price of $8.09. Beautiful keyword right here. Then again, I won't be diving too deep into this keyword because of the high bestseller rank, yet it's something that I want to diversify. It's something that I might use as part of my 7 keyword slots when I want to create a Sudoku activity book for this one, for example. So let's say for example, I'd like to create a book with the title Easy Sudoku Activity Book for Kids ages 4 to 8. I'm going to utilize this keyword, and then I also want to make sure that I take advantage of this keyword right here by mentioning it in the 7 keyword slots. So this is what you can do as well if you do come across a profitable keyword that has a slightly higher bestseller rank, or you're not really super confident about the keyword score in terms of strength and stuff. You can use it as part of the 7 keyword slots. Use it for about 2-3 months, see if it is bringing you results, and then you could always be free to go in and edit it as long as you have not used it in your title or subtitle, because anything that can be used in your title and subtitle cannot be further edited. So if you have enjoyed today's video, let's review the 4 keywords that we discussed. First of all, the science spell book, 30 enchanting experiments for kids. Keyword niche score of 44, total results at 2. Second, the Suduko puzzle book for adults, travel size. Keyword niche score of 44, total results 613. Next, it's easy Sudoku activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. And next, finally, is activity book with Sudoku for kids with a keyword niche score of 39. If you have enjoyed today's video, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.